Page 18, ice cream and more ice cream. I'm going to cover both of these on this video because they're basically the same song in two different keys. So it gives us a chance to talk about that too. For ice cream, both of these, I'm going to cover them both. 2/4 time, got lots of eighth notes in the right hand. The top one, you're starting out with here, this position. You're in C position. Using the C 5-finger scale. Remember, 5 fingers, count them, 5. Okay, then eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Not too bad, I hope. Second line, look out for the sharps. Got an F sharp and then an F natural. And the fourth finger is going to do both of those. And then next measure, you D sharp and a D natural. And the second finger is going to do both of those. I really wish they wouldn't give you all these finger numbers. All you need is the finger number for the first note and then read the notes. So in my opinion, it's better if you cross out those finger numbers so you don't read them. Let's go on down to more ice cream for the right hand while we're here. And all you're doing is you're starting, instead of C position, you're up here to G position. Same fingers. You're using the same fingers. Here's C sharp with the fourth finger. C natural and then A sharp and A. It's the same song, only you're in the G position. Technically, this piece in the more ice cream thing should have one sharp in the key signature because it's really in the key of G. No sharps or flats is more in the key of C, but it's not important for what we're doing. All we're doing is we're playing a 5-finger position in two different positions. That's all. We're using the same fingers. In my opinion, that encourages you to read finger numbers. And I'm very much against that. I would prefer you understand really what transposing is about, not finger numbers. However, that's what they're presenting, so that's what I'm presenting here. Left hand, for ice cream at the top, you're starting out with the C. So it's 1 and 2 and. You got to rest on 2 and. Next measure, it's a D, G, rest and F, G. And then in the second line, last two measures. Well, on the more ice cream, you simply go up to G position up here. You're playing the same fingers as you did before. Put the hands together. For more ice cream, you're here. Remember when I play the E's, the left hand comes up. It has a rest. Then in the second line, the left hand doesn't play to the last two measures. And you're here. Now hold that down. It's a quarter note. And more ice cream is the same thing, but you're up here. Okay. Articulation, they don't really give you any except for the staccato in the last note. Just bounce off the keys. Here, and for more ice cream, you're up here. Okay. Speed-wise, it's lively. You'll have to decide what lively is. Dynamics, it's sort of loud. Medium loud, moderately loud, except for that last note is loud. So that's the right hand. If you can, play the left hand a little softer than that. So we can hear it on both of these, same thing. Until the last note, the last measure, loud. Boom. Lively, speed, how fast do you think lively should be? It's a happy piece, I guess, huh? The trick here is, depending on how fast you're going, those eighth notes need to be even. Don't start going. Keep them even. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. It's very important. There are times when you will make them long, short. Not here, so it's important that you make these even. I'd like to play these two with you, one after the other. I'll give us 2 counts because there's only 2 beats in a measure. We're going to do ice cream together slowly, and then I'll give us 2 counts, and then we'll do more ice cream. So once you finish ice cream, go ahead and move your hand up here and be ready to go because you only get 2 counts. So I put the metronome on eighth notes. It's counting eighth note, beating eighth notes. So it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. So let's try it at that speed. Ready and go and 1. Two and 1 and 2 and. Put your hands up here. 2 counts. Ready and go and. And 2 and.